Hey guys, tile's done. At least laying the tile anyway.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
Let me back up here so you can get a full shot of this. So now I am grouting. I'm going to grout the shower, and then I'm going to have to lift up this tub up onto the shower wall so that I can then do the floor. I'm waiting on Dirtra, I think is what it is. It's an underlayment of the tile. I'm waiting on that to be delivered. All of the local Home Depots and Lowe's are sold out of it, so I had to order it on Amazon. And yeah, that's why I'm grouting. Normally, I think I would have waited and grouted all of it at once because it's all going to be the same grout. But now for grouting, I've got my grout mix. We went with a light gray. You mix this up the same way you mix up your mortar. So a little bit of water, mix it up. You don't want it to drip. You want it to be able to hold its shape inside the grooves. And then I also got a little caulk tube that's the exact same color. I'm going to need that for all the corners, basically, that you can't get the grout into. Okay, so with grout, you just get a pile of it and make a mess. You want to kind of work it into the lines. I made this a little bit too wet, by the way. In fact, I'm going to have to harden this up a little bit, mix some more in. It's far too wet. But anyway, the idea of this is you want to kind of push it into your grout lines. And once you're confident that you got it all in there, then you just scrape it off. So you're trying to get the majority of it. Really, you want to get all of it off of the tile and the majority it off of even the grout line, leaving you with about this. Then you'll see here in a little while, then I'm going to come back with the sponge and wipe off the excess several times. I'm going to take a couple, probably 5 or so wipe downs of the whole thing. Okay, let me harden this up here a little bit.
So I'm trying to fill in the holes. I've already done that one and that one. I'm just trying to do now. And that one.
Yeah, those look great.
You see, you do not want to touch it all. I can like leave the tile messy, but because that's gonna get it, but I try not to.
Yeah.
I can.
Okay.
Yeah. That's fun.
Uh-oh.
I know, so that's why you have to be careful from God. I'm wiping the dust off. That's what I'm only doing.
You're wiping the dust off?
Yeah.
Good job. Do you know why you're doing that?
Yeah. Just to spray the wall.
Yeah.
What are we spraying them with?
I don't know.
With grout sealer.
You get to stay up late tonight, huh, Max?
Yeah.
Being a good helper.
Yeah. doing down and up.
That's a good idea. What happened?
This got plugged, so we had to fix it. But it's a problem.
Is a problem.
Yeah, that's
No problem.
Yeah, we need it we need it working.
Yeah. Is it still plugged or did you get it unplugged?
I don't know.
What do you think? Do you think you found it?
Yeah, I found it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I found it. It's right here.
That's where the plug is?
Yeah, it's right there.
It's
So
a
now
good thing
what?
I have you.
Now what do we do?
I don't know. If we cut open and get another one.
Cut it open?
Yeah, we could do that.
Oh, I don't know about that.
We could just do that. Buy another one again.
Cut that open and buy another vacuum?
Yeah, we can
Well.
cut everywhere.
Let's try something before that maybe.
Yeah.
Can you pull it out from the vacuum? Can you pull the hose out from the vacuum?
Look. It's good.
Whoa, you did it. You see it in there?
I can't. It's way funny.
But look, if you leave that out, then you could stick something in there to try to push the plug.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a good idea?
Dad, I need to tell you something.
Hey, tell me it.
I can take something out and put it in there and see if I can't get it out.
Whose idea was that?
Your idea.
He's learning.
Ooh, I think you must have gotten it all, Max.
It's
It is clear.
Point to where the grout line is.
okay.
Point to it. Yes. All the lines you see here, you get this, and you spray the line. Just like that. Just quick, easy sprays, okay?
Yeah.
Let's see how you do. And then in a minute, we'll wipe it off.
Look, I'm doing it.
Well, great.
Do maybe one more line and then it's time for bed, okay?
Mom, do you see that? That doesn't count. That's cheating. I don't want to do that.
We got the tile all grouted and sealed and the tub put up. So we're all ready to start floor tile next week. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you later.